1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many I can't count them all at once.
What's happening? Sammy, what are you up to?
Sue, help me. I want to find out whether I have enough to open a coffee house.
Let's see.
Oh, I can already imagine this bright.
Sammy?
Cozy.
Listen.
Big.
That's unlikely.
Really? And what can I afford then?
Something this big? Just don't worry about it.
But it's awesome! I'll have the smallest coffee house in the world. Let's start the construction.
Wait, now?
Why not, Sue? You're so absent-minded today. Let's get to the craft.
Hi, guys. Today we will build a mini coffee house.
Remember how we already built mini houses? It will be just as awesome this time.
Wow, so much stuff. I can't wait to open all the baggies.
Sue, let's start opening. I'm ready to craft.
Then go ahead, Sammy. Start cutting out the parts. And I will start on the base. This piece will be first. At the moment, it doesn't look how it's supposed to. So we'll glue the texture on top.
Sue, I think it's the right one. Take it before it gets crumpled.
We glue it carefully. And meanwhile, you can look for the next part.
Nope. No, not this one either. Oh, holy cannoli, this is it! Great job, Sam. Susan, I found the right part and already glued the texture.
Oh, well, I didn't sit around either and made another part. And I'll need your help with this piece. Throw me that bottom part.
Done.
Now we connect them to each other. Great. Pass me the upper part. Sammy, can I have the second part?
Wait, Sue, I'm a little busy. We're missing a piece here.
He gets distracted easily, as always. Oh, well, I can manage it. Awesome. Now we need the sign. Whoa, where did you come from? Already assembled.
Did you think that I forgot about you? Oh, that's what you think about me, Susan. I simply had to contribute into the construction of my own coffee house.
Sammy, I didn't know that you had a stage name.
I didn't know that either. I guess I'll have to take Simon as my stage name.
Oh, and who will appreciate my contribution? It's not fair.
Guys, let's give Sue lots of thumbs ups. She deserves it.
Thanks, Sammy, that works. Oh, and where are those pieces?
Are you missing something, Sue?
Yes, those small, barely visible… now I get it. Sammy, give them to me.
Give what, Sue? These are my new eyebrows. I look splendid, don't I?
Honestly, you look better without them. So let's use them right away.
Well, okay, I'm handsome the way I am.
Right you are. Look at this awesomeness that we got. We're just missing one important part.
This one? I knew I should assemble it beforehand. I did great, right?
I never doubted you, Sammy. You're just in time. We'll attach it here and here. And now we make the base for the floor. Sammy, check what we need to do next.
Sue, we needed to make wiring for the light, but the wires got a bit tangled.
A bit? We'll fix it now.
Yay! Let there be light! Don't pull the wire so hard, Sue.
And now we lay the floor. I feel like a real builder.
Sue, what kind of coffee do you prefer?
A latte, I guess? Why are you asking?
I need to decide on the signature drink in my personal coffee house. I would add slimeccino to the menu.
Oh, sounds delicious. I imagine that there will be lots of fluffy whipped cream. And we continue with the flooring. Here's a spot for a small step. We'll press it down neatly. Do you like it? Now we'll cover the edges. One snap and done. Cool, isn't it?
Don't forget to place the steps, Sue, otherwise someone will fall down for sure.
Oh, you're right, Sammy. Comfort and safety of our customers is above all. But beauty is important as well. Where are the rugs that should be here?
Sue, let's keep them. They're so cool.
No way. Sammy, we'll buy different ones for our house. And we'll use these specially for our mini coffee house. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-da. Did you want to say something? Right, I almost forgot to hang them. Bring them here. What a tasty menu. I really like it. I wish I could go drink some coffee now.
Da-da-da-da! And where should I put all this?
Oh, wait, Sammy, I don't have everything ready yet.
Ugh, you should have said this earlier. I would slow down then.
While I'm assembling the shelves, try to make other items for our interior.
Let's see. There's plenty of work for me here. This goes here. Fix it there. And just adjust it here. Awesome! And now here. This will take some more time.
Done! Now we can hang the shelves and organize the boxes. Sammy?
Shiver me cheddars. Why is everything so small? I'm coming soon. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Today's lunch is coffee mill.
So many interesting things here. Oh, I would love to work in a coffee house like this.
Sue, I'm afraid the hooks are too small for our guests' clothes.
Sammy, these are not clothing hooks. Let me show you. First, we attach them to the wall with glue like this. And now we hang the cup right here. And done.
Now I see. Here are more cups, Sue.
Voila! It's becoming much cozier. Here, we'll have the bar for our customers with a comfy leg shelf. Everyone will be happy to try our delicious coffee or tea.
And add more flowers. I love flowers.
Then we'll put the flowers in the best spot. And memorable photos from our trips. I like that style.
Shiver me cheddars, this really is the smallest coffee house in the world.
Sammy, you won't be able to sit on these for sure. But at the same time, we can accommodate all of our customers. It's a little empty here. What should we put there?
Sue, I know where I can make a mini latte for ya.
Good idea, Sam. By the way, it'll look great here. Okay. One part looks alright and the second is still empty. This won't work.
Should we make a swimming pool like in the other mini house?
Oh, no. Let's not repeat ourselves. It's an interesting idea, but a little crazy.
Help, Sue! I found the last piece of furniture.
It's a perfect fit. And what should our customers do with it?
I suggest putting toys.
Hey, maybe we throw a coin then? The one who wins makes the choice.
Don't fail me. I go for tails.
Don't be mad, Sam. Next time you'll choose.
Deal, but then assemble this yourself.
I wonder what we'll get in the end. What do you think, guys?
Sue, and what is this for? Do we have to paint something?
I don't know yet, Sammy. Let me assemble this first.
Maybe we should paint the walls golden. That would be fabulous.
Wait, I guess I know why we need the paint. Give me a bit more time.
Okay, but just a bit. Otherwise, I'll start painting the wall.
So, do you recognize what this is now?
Wow, my own piano in a coffee house. My dream of becoming a musician's coming true. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away.
Sammy, did you learn how to play with your head?
It's coming from my soul and I play the way I want. Oh wow, what a comfy chair.
Live music for our customers. We're getting a high-class cafe.
And with the sheet music of my favorite song here.
Favorite song? What's the name, Sammy?
This isn't Slimish.
You've got a wild imagination. By the way, it's your turn to choose the decor for our interior.
Can I do it with my eyes closed? It's more interesting this way. So does it look cool? Books again? Oh, is this nonsense. Sue, confess. Is this your fault?
Come on, Sammy. It was your handiwork. I had more important stuff to do.
This is some weird decor you're assembling now, Susan. It's too modern for me.
Very funny. It's just the future table and chair for the cafe.
Oh, then assemble it faster. We have to open soon. Oh, so many things are still not ready.
Sam is such an alarmist. Let's finish with the furniture. The chair only needs the back. One twig and another one. We'll insert it nicely. And the last one. A little more. Done. Now we can arrange them. Here we'll have the table right near the live music. And 2 chairs. Someone can come with a friend.
Welcome to Sam's Cafe. While you're studying our menu, I would like to offer you a small compliment from our chef barista.
You're so sweet, but there's one problem. No one can enter our cafe.
Oh, holy macaroons, why so?
Our cafe doesn't have the front door yet to let our customers in.
Phew, Susan, you scared me. I even started to melt.
Oh, this was a joke. Sorry if I scared you. Could you help me decorate the door a bit?
I thought you'd never ask. Decorator Sam is ready for anything.
It came out great, Sam. I like it very much.
I did my best. I'm off to assemble the greens.
Sammy, wait. You have a sticker. Oh, well, Sam also needs some decor. And now we'll insert the door into the door frame. Carefully, right here. Sammy, so many flowers. Do you have enough space to accommodate all this?
We'll find it. There'll be lots of flowers. Well. Oh, I can't do it, Sue. I've got a problem here. Save me.
Oh, the tweezers will help us here. Let's pick it up. One here. And another one here. Let's speed up the process. Are you ready? Wow, that's much faster.
Okay, now we can go on vacation.
Wait, we didn't have the grand opening yet. Let's postpone our trip. And if you really decide to go, it'll be right here, deal?
Okay, we still have one part left. We almost forgot about it.
Oops, sometimes that happens to us. This set has so many small parts. We'll place it here so our customers can see the whole selection.
Susan, I think a hole instead of a ceiling is not an option.
You're right. We need to install a durable and pretty ceiling. And the lighting, of course.
Shine bright like a diamond. A few bright lamps won't do any harm.
The more we have, the cozier the atmosphere. Carefully so we don't damage anything. Step aside, Sammy.
Ready? Is it ready yet? I'm dying to see it.
Now it's ready. 3, 2, 1. Sam's Coffee House is open. And this is how our coffee house looks like on a cozy summer night.
Please, don't come inside. Same to you, don't come inside either.
Sammy, what's wrong with this fancy nightclub bass control?
So they're too big to be customers of our coffee house. I give up.
Oh, cheer up, Sammy. Anyways, now we have the smallest coffee house in the world, and I made you a slimeachino. Try it.
Ugh, delicious. My mood is 100 times better now. Thanks, Sue. You know how to cheer me up.
Guys, today we made a cool and unusual craft. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and share this video with friends.
Agree and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.